Hello everyone, this is Renu here. Welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. Students, we had started basic calculation series and this is the part 2 of basic calculation series, and in this part 2 we will discuss about additions and subtractions of fractions. In part 1 we had already discussed about operations of multiplication, addition, subtractions and divisions with 0. So those students who didn't watch the part 1, please go through the channel and must watch the basic calculation series part 1. So let's start today's topic. So in case of addition and subtractions of fractions, we have two cases, that is we have either like fraction or unlike fraction. So first of all we will discuss about case 1, that is how we will add like fractions. Okay, so suppose if we have given two fractions, that is 2y3 plus 4y3. So here first work is how we will identify the given fractions are like fraction or unlike fractions. We will check the fractions by their denominators. If denominators of both the fractions will be same, then the given fractions are like, otherwise they are unlike fractions. So here we have first fraction is 2y3, and in 2y3 the denominator is 3. The number below the line is called denominator and number above the line is called numerator. So in the first fractions we will have denominator 3. Similarly in second fractions we have denominator 3. So in these two fractions we have same denominator. If denominators are same, then the fractions are like fractions. So how we will write at these two fractions? If denominator are same, then in denominators we will write the same number, that is 3, and in numerators we will write the numerator of the first fraction. So here the numerator of the first fraction is 2 and numerator of the second fraction is 4. Now add 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6y3. So our answer is 6y3. Now we will discuss about second case, case 2, when we have unlike fractions. So in case 2 we have unlike fractions. Suppose we have 3y5 plus 2y10. So first of all we will check the denominator of both the fractions. In first fraction we have denominator 5 and in second fraction we have denominator 10. So in these two fractions denominator are different, and if denominator are different then they are unlike fractions. So we will convert firstly unlike fraction into like fraction. Our first work before adding is convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. So we will convert them by taking the LCM of both the denominators. In first fractions we have denominator 5 and in second fractions we have denominator 10. So our first work is take the LCM of 5 and 10, because we will have to make the denominator of both the fractions same. So in first step we will take the LCM of 5 and 10. So we will take the LCM by division method. We will divide both numbers 5 and 10 by any numbers until we get 1. So here 10 is divisible by 2 because it is an odd number. So first we will write here 2, and 5 will not come in the table of 2. So here we write the same number, that is 5, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we will write here 5. Now we have 5 and 5. So 5 is divisible by 5. 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 1 is also 5. So LCM will be the product of these two numbers, that is 2 into 5, and 2 times 5 is 10. So LCM will be 10. Now take the first fraction. Our first fraction is 3 by 5. Now LCM is 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Now we will make the denominator of first fraction 10 because we have LCM 10. Now by which number 5 should be multiplied to get 10? So 5 should be multiplied by 2. So we will multiply the denominator by 2. Similarly, if we multiply the denominator 2, so to balance these fractions, we should multiply the numerator also by 2. Now take the second fraction. Second fraction is 2 by 10. Here the denominators will be 10 and we have LCM also 10. Both are same. So here no need of multiplications. So next step is multiply 3 by 2. 3 times 2 is 6 upon 5 times 2 is 10. So first fraction will become 6 by 10 plus second fraction is 2 by 10. Now check the denominator. Denominator of both the fractions will be 10. So this now unlike fraction will convert into the like fraction. Now add these two fractions. Denominator are same. Then we will write in denominator 10 and add the numerator as it is, that is 6 plus 2, and 6 plus 2 is 8 by 10. So this is the way by which we can add the unlike fraction. So I hope this concept is clear to all of you. If you like the video, then don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much for watching.